they have been and they both enjoyed it. So we are going to definitely visit the Opryland, right across from Opryland Mall. So we'll definitely be able to give you some more insight on that when I visit it. But while we was at the Opryland Mall, I went in. There's so many stores there, so many stores. I love them all. You can get 10,000 steps just walking in that thing. So we were able to stop in and really enjoy the mall there. And I stopped into their coat store there. I always like visiting there. I don't actually get purses anymore from Coach. I haven't seen anything for a little while that I really like because I own so many Coaches. A lot of their stuff that they don't make anymore. And even carry. So I look more to vintage. So I have a lot of the older coaches that is so beautiful. They don't make those, so I don't actually see anything in the new things that I actually like. So, but when I went in there, they had this boots. I was trying to find online, actually two. One is a booty and one is a boot. And so you'll see them on me in this video as well. But I actually really wanted to get these boots a really long time, and they just kept selling up my size. Obviously I'm a 10, so those size go quicker, and I've been trying to find them and went into the store just looking around and was able to ask the young lady. I almost bought three pair, but I bought two. If you left me in there, I probably would have bought more, but